It's me again, Salvador Nestor Rivera. This time we're going to do a beehive. Beehive is one of my new series when me killing the bees. So let's get started. Let's go get some materials to kill the bees. What? Bees are still here. I have a whack. It's something right here. Trying to get stung. It's right here. I hit them with it. Like on the ground. So I'm gonna put it over there. I'm gonna get this, put that right there. So we should get a couple few rocks, just one, so the bees can go under it, and I undo that. So now let's go get some pebbles. There's a big right here. So let's get started. We collected these rocks. There. I'm gonna fill this fully with rocks. See that ant? Okay, I get to check that. Okay, got all my rocks. Let's get started killing the bees. But guys, bye. I'm gonna make my next video. So please subscribe to my channel so you can see more beehive. Bye.